I am here. This is a bit overdue, is this? Because this has been in the shop nearly a week. But I'm here to show off another one of my DigiKits. This is a brick themed one. And it was created by pure accident. But I love the results. And it is the same pattern, but slightly different tones. But yeah, it was with one of my backgrounds. And then playing around in the editing program that I create the kits in. And I was just playing with some of the, not frames, they are effects or whatever it were anyway. And shapes and stuff. And I ended up with this brick effect. And I love it. So I went with it and did it a few different tones. Yeah, so we have this lovely green and turquoisey one. I really love that one. Then we have this one, slightly light toning down. Then we have this one. This one reminds me of the beach so much. Then we have this one. The bricks are becoming a bit more prominent on this one. And then we have this one. This reminds me of an actual brick wall. But yeah, so it's plain and simple. The five, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, just 5 different shades, same pattern, 5 different shades, and yeah, I love it. This is printed on normal print paper, as I've said before. But yeah, plain, like I said, plain and simple, but I really, really love the effects. I really do. These will be really good just as backgrounds. Yep, just as backgrounds or bases for tags, for layering and that sort of thing. They're really cool. But yeah, so that is in the shop already. It has been in the shop probably a week, maybe longer now, by the time you're watching this, because I'm filming ahead. So everything will be linked below. Also, if you are watching this video for 1 week only, so I will make a note of it, and then after a week the link will disappear. For 1 week only, down in the comments section there will be a pinned comment by myself that will have a link in it to the freebies folder on my Google Drive. Is it Google Drive? Yeah, Google Drive, where all my DigiKits are stored. And that will be there for you guys to access and download all of everything that's in there for 1 week only. The terms and conditions are in there as well. There'll be a little photo in there with all the T's and C's on of what you can and cannot do with these kits. And I'm going to add these butterflies into there as well. There is 2. There is these ones, and then there is these ones. So yeah, they are going to be added into the freebies folder with a load of other freebies. And like I said, for 1 week only, they will be available for you to download below, following the link to the Google Drive. Everything is in a zip file. It's all just in one zip file, so you will download the zip file and then you will extract everything from there. There should already be programs built into computers and stuff like that to do that. If not, I use 7-zip is what it's called, so you can download that and it will do it for you, no problem. Yeah, so there you go, guys. There are, like I said, 2 freebies, two more freebies being added into there. That freebies file is full of not kits, but odd ones that I've done and thought, well, it's nice, but I don't like it. Not so much I don't like it, but it's nice, but I really don't want to add it into the kit. Or, you know, like this, I just play around and think, well, that's all right, yeah, I'll stick it in freebies folder. You know, when I've just been playing, that sort of thing. So these are like fussy cut. You won't have them lines down there, if you can see. That's because my print heads needed cleaning at the time. Again, these are printed on normal print paper, normal HGSM print paper, but yeah, just some nice bright coloured bright funky butterflies for you. I think these would be awesome for like fall journals and stuff like that. But yeah, so 1 week only. I will periodically, I do this anyway, but periodically I will add that link back once in a while, but I'm not leaving it up permanently. Like I said, it will just come and go. I will make announcements in videos when it's available, but it will come and go. And guys, even if you've used the freebies folder before, whenever I do a video saying the freebies folder will be available for X amount of time, check again. Even though you thought, oh, well, I've already downloaded them, check again, because if I'm announcing the fact that the freebies folder is going to be available again for a period of time, it means I've added something new to it. Like these. There is new stuff in there now that's been there for a while that wasn't there last time, but I didn't announce it because I've just been putting them in randomly as and when I've done them. So besides these two being added in there now, there are other things in there that wasn't there the last time, if you did download last time, that wasn't in there last time. So, you know, there's always stuff, new stuff going in. If I announce in a video the freebies link is available again, then it means there's new freebies in there, possibly even other than what I'm showing off. Sometimes I might not even show it off. Sometimes I might just say the freebie link's available again, go check it out. So, you know, there may be something in there, there may be not, but, you know, it usually means there is. Anyway, so that's that. And an upcoming kit, which I am working on, but I have other things to be doing right this moment in time, so unfortunately you guys will have to wait, is another fussy cut butterflies. You will remember these, should remember these if you follow along. You'll remember these from before. I did them and they were blue. I did blue fussy cut butterflies, and I bet I cannot find them now. Sorry guys, I should be prepared, I know that, but you know me, I never am. There they are. Found them. Let me just get them out to show you. Here we go. Right, so these were the blue ones that I did last time. They are in the shop already. These are in the, yeah, they're in the shop already, and these are the kit. These are printed on normal print paper. So I did blue ones with the pale blue background, blue ones with the, this is my tea dyed hexagon, or hexagon tea dyed backgrounds that are also available in the shop. The butterflies are all the same colour, all the same sizes on each sheet, just the backgrounds is a different colour, slightly different tones. So because Laurie Goodman, hi, part of my design team, asked me before when I mentioned about doing butterfly fussy cuts, could I please leave a background on them, because sometimes she likes to cut around and leave a background on them, a bit of white around them or whatever, and you know, can't always cut them out precisely. So I thought, right, okay, no problem. So I did that. They were printed on cardstock, not that much different to be honest, but anyway, since then they were all the blue ones. Since then I've been playing around and did some coloured ones. I did these ones. I don't know how well the light is showing up today, but these are like a greeny colour. They were a lot greener than this when I did them, but they printed out a lot darker. And then again, just on the normal tea dyed background. And then I put it in my design team members group and said, here guys, there's some butterflies. I will play around with other colours, but at the moment I just don't have time. And the lovely Barb Dingwell, hi sweetie, said, if you ever need, she said this before anyway, if you ever need anything recolouring or whatever, just give me a shout, I'm happy to do it, no problem. So I just told her, if you want to have a play, be my guest. So she did. So she's done these. She's recoloured the butterflies, but it also recolours the background the same colour, or a very similar tone. So she's done some pinky coloured ones, which have printed out a little bit of a maroony colour. Gorgeous though. Some purple ones, I love these. I think Colleen will love these. She loves purple, and these really are purple, Colleen. Yeah, awesome. And she's done some blue ones. And these are that colour blue, but the background is slightly different tone. These are actually a slightly different tone as well. They look different on the computer. They look different colours, but they print out fairly similar on normal normal printed paper. But yeah, but the backgrounds are slightly different tones. So there's 2, 3, 4, and that I'll add mine in as well. There's 5 there. So that will also be coming soon as a new kit as well. All of those will be in the new kit. So you'll have that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So there you go, guys. Like I said, not right now because I have a multitude of other things to do first. I'm playing catch up again, as usual, but I'm getting there anyway. But yeah, so they will be coming very soon, so keep your eyes out for them. So there you go, guys. So we have some freebie butterfly kit coming soon, and the bricks themed kit already available. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to everybody who has already been buying the kits. You guys are amazing. You have no idea how much it means. But yeah, oh, thank you. I really need to say a huge thank you to Gail Agostinelli, for playing with my, not only does she show the kits off, I send them to her. Like, you know, I don't expect you to show them off. You don't, there is no obligation. I'm not sending them to you because I want you to show them off or I expect you to. I just think you might like them or to play with them or whatever. And then she shouts at me and she's like, no, I'm happy to do it. Keep saying, you know, send along. I'll just get around to it in my own time, which is fair enough. I don't expect it anyway. But yeah, she shows them off, she'll print them out, the ones that she thinks she's going to use anyway, and she shows them off in mealtime videos. And then she actually used a few of them in her projects, which I've added into the design team playlist. I'll actually link that below. I do have a playlist on the channel that is design team members related. And all my design team members that have used kits in their videos to create with or just show them off or whatever, they get added into that playlist, so they're all in one thing and one place and easy to find. And all the videos that Gail's done where my kits have featured, even if it's just a little piece of it randomly, like when she was doing her altered book, she did an altered book not long since, and she only used a couple of little pieces of my kits in the back of her book, but then she used the offcuts in a big collage with the rest of the kits she'd used, and then cut them up like we do the big collage snippet rolls and then cut them up. But my kit's featured in that video, even though there's numerous others in there. I don't mind. I really couldn't care less. I love the fact that people use my kits with other people's kits. I encourage that. But yeah, but all the videos that Gail's done where my kits are featured as well alongside others, they're in that design team playlist as well. Gail is not on my design team at all, but I've put them in there as well and if anybody other than the people on my design team, if anybody buys and downloads my kits, even the freebies, guys, if you download any of the kits, any of the freebies, and you use them in any videos that you create, you know, making something with them, even if it's with somebody else's kits, let me know. Send me a message and let me know, and give me the link to your video, and I'll add your video into the playlist as well. You know, if you're going to use my kits, I want to feature I want to show off what you're doing as much as you do, so please let me know and I will add it to the playlist, design team members or not. You know, you can be my guest design team members. But yeah, so there you go, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm just way excited today. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all so much, and I will speak to you again soon. Goodbye.